Hi there, so we are in another bathroom here, and this time we've got an acrylic bath that's got some problems. Look down. We've got some issues around the waist here, a couple of chips up here, another one down there, so we're going to try and sort that out. Wish me luck. Taking a closer look, you can see that there's quite a few chips in the areas of the waist here. It looks a bit unsightly from further away, and there's a few more here and one here, so that's what we're going to handle. Okay, as is common with acrylic baths, the damage doesn't seem that much until you put your head right down and start filling in the holes, and as you can see, there seems to be a lot more than there looked like to begin with. And that's because it's very easy to pick up on the bad ones and miss out on the small ones. Okay, so this is a more tricky colour than normal, and I'm making it up. As you can see here, I've got a few colours there that I've been working on. Chosen one, tinted it and vanished it out. That's a skill. Okay, so yeah, I thought we got that colour right, but in fact there is a tweak we can make to it. Just slightly needs a little bit of red. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a little tweak here and see if we can just nail it. Okay, one drop, and that should squeak it in. Yeah, so I've given it another tweak, and this one here is kind of, oops, that's my last go. When you move back, it vanishes. It reflects the light slightly differently from the plastic, so it can be more visible when you get close to it. But if I tweak that any further, could send it off in the wrong direction. I can always adjust it on the sly, well, not on the sly, but on the fly, while I'm actually applying it, which, you know, it's a last minute kind of thing, but useful tool. Hi there, I'm Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam Hard Surface Repairs and Bath Resurfacing. I think that sometimes when people see the term hard surface repairs, they mean, you know, jobs that are really hard to do. That's not what it means. It means like hard surfaces that we repair. Anyway, I'm having a break here on this big chip repair, and I am on the diet of the true bath resurfacer. Tea. It can't be a good cup. It takes quite a few cups of tea to get through a bath resurfacing job. I should know. I've done thousands. Okay, so this is this bath resolved now. You can see that there's no damage around the waist anymore, and that cluster of damage up here is gone, and that central chip repair is also gone. So job done. In truth, there was probably just too many chips on that bath. Once I, you know, fixed the ones that the client had, and then the ones that I found, even when I was doing the job as we went on, more appeared. So it turned into quite a lot of damage, really. To be honest, it's not great to do lots and lots of chip repairs on an acrylic bath, because one repair overlaps the other. So yeah, we've done the best we can with this. The client will be really happy because all the things she wasn't happy about are resolved. But being a fastidious perfectionist, I can see it's not perfect. But it's as close to perfection as can be done, really. Okay, so I am Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and bathroom fixture repairs, and any hard surface repairs like granite or marble. Okay, call us if you need us.